Hello everybody, my name is David the Cheese, and today we are playing a train crash, or something like that.
Right? Yep.
I'm gonna go push a min.
Are you recording your video right now?
Yeah.
And my name is PennyGo19, and together we're gonna be trying to
I'm dead!
Today we're gonna be trying to survive a train crash. One-on-one with Octopus. And a train flipping over trying to run me over.
Octopussies.
Why did he say it like that?
That was about to slam on me. That's a little sussy. Oh. Okay, well. Oh yeah, I have a speed coil, I forgot. Let's go. I'm gonna survive this.
Oh yeah,
no, I'm not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I did it! I won! Yeah, I can get Taco. Where is you at, man?
I'm on top.
Okay. Let's go. Let's be back here, bro. I don't like. Oh my god. There we go. We suck at
Bro,
train
just
surviving,
jumping
man.
already.
Yep.
Whoa, hello there. Sit down. Why are we holding? Yo. Okay, I'm going to sit on the other side, okay? Like, I'm gonna no, stop. I'm gonna shield you from any impacts, okay?
Okay.
Now you're gonna shield me from any impacts.
No thank you.
Now I'm gonna. I need a taco. Mine slide. Yeah, that sounds nice.
Oh,
Is that a resort?
wait, didn't we do that one time? Or no, I survived the bombs.
I think this was that one.
I'm gonna put down the freaking brightness.
Wow!
Wait, what? I just found out a button to open up inventory.
Look at this nice town. It's so nice. It's like a farmer, man. It's like
Ooh,
wow.
that's a.
This train ride seems fun. I spent five bucks on this.
2 hours on this Bart Simpson for nothing.
There's nothing ahead. If you look at the train, there's absolutely nothing ahead.
If you look to your left, you will see absolutely nothing.
And to your right, you'll see absolutely nothing but mountain rocks and walls. But if you look forward, you see a little skybox and a little slope. I wonder what's gonna happen now.
And a lot of mines.
Yeah, I wonder what's happening.
Very exquisite.
Oh my god.
Very exquisite indeed.
I really like this. I'm glad I spent
You
$500. Yeah, I died.
I made it,
Oh man.
I think. I'm not sure, because we're stuck in the train! Oh, I'm not, though. The train is a fucking wreck. Yo, I don't know how you died. That was so easy.
I know, bro. I didn't even move. I think it's because a mine went directly on my body. It blew me up in the process. I'll see in the video once I upload it. We're gonna oh, I spawned inside of the train, by the way.
Which cart?
Back, bro. Yo, what's good, man?
I broke it. I can't use it.
Okay, we gotta stop this, bro.
Is this... I think it's a good taco.
No. Not be this good, bro. Rainbow slide? That sounds fun. It sounds like the
No.
thing from Mario Kart.
Me when I eat the lasagna and it tastes super good.
Me It's like the Mario Kart level. It's like Rainbow Slide.
Shut the fuck up.
That is not for Mario Kart.
That's Rainbow Road.
Oh, that's a different one.
Gay Road. Isn't there freaking camera control? Or
I
not
don't know what that means.
captures, motherfucker.
And we're going through the tunnel to the new map. Let's hope it's a fun map and I don't get murdered from it. I low-key had tacos for supper today, so that was like, Rainbow!
Rainbow! Oh, this is so fun. We're so
Look
gay.
outside the windows, bro. It's so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh? Guys? Like Zoink Scoop. I think I'm just gonna talk like this for the rest of the video. Zoinks!
Scary.
It's okay. It was Dad.
She can obviously wake me up. Yeah. I died, by the way.
I can tell. I can. I need one more win to get 4th field. Okay. I need one more win to get. Alright, where are we
Alright,
going?
let's go back to the train.
Alright, I'm gonna go freaking on the roof.
Alright.
I can't get on the
Dude, just use these things to climb up.
No pushing. I'm scared. We might be a little cooked. I don't care. Dag.
You suck, man. Oh god, he's up here with us. Yes. I survived.
Who's up there?
He's being sent to Iran. He's being deported.
No! I've been drafted. This loser tried to push me off.
I'm actually gonna save that for the, I'm gonna cut that out and put that for the,
Motherfucker! Oh, I'm gonna beat his ass. Yes, you are, Tard Binks. Yeah, stand on the corner. And you know, instead of not doing that, you're not gonna make me. I will beat your fucking ass.
Shut up, bitch.
Good morning.
Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch.
I need to find a better editing software than fucking CapCut, bruh.
CapCut's pretty good.
Watch me.
I don't even get the watermark either.
You don't get it?
Yeah, for some reason I don't.
Watch me not be able to hear you in the video.
Shut up, bitch.
Yeah, I kind of stopped recording. It's just the game is fun, but it's also not funny. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Let's play something else.
I got some pretty funny moments already.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make the video on it though.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine, Pookie Bear.
Get hit by a car simulator. W?
Did you leave?
Yeah, I left.
Bro. We still have 1 minute left until it's a proper video.
Just say I got blown up and I actually died.
Well, I'm recording the entire thing.
And then I got reincarnated. It happened off screen.
Shut
sure. Alrighty then. I think that's where I'm gonna end it.